Tell them talk, no man. Yeah, we outside. We in traffic. Yeah. What's up, MVision squad? I don't know. We out here. My camera should be up here, right? Nah, we don't put no camera up there. We're freestyling right now. Bro, did the light change? This ain't no traffic vlog, bro. Ooh. Oh, y'all been though? Y'all been smashing the like since recently, man? No. Yo, make sure to join the family and subscribe. Look on the building up there, so the painting a strip off of the building. You see that up there, sir? Interesting, don't? Very interesting. Yeah. Brownstone on that side. Paint out over the side. That's how the thing said. Mismatch. Mismatch, world. See if we can find a restaurant. Or anyway, them have nice food. Find some stuff. That is it. I have an option. Either I go to a gas station first or I go get some food for myself. What do you think I go go on? What do you think I go go on? See last, remember now, summer you know, when I have a lot of vlogs when I get in the summertime. Don't even play like that. So you know, so right now still, I have to go upgrade the thing again and let's start going to some content. But I don't think I'm busy. So with that said, that's all if you smash the like if you don't want more content, because if you don't show no support, what you feel like you go on. Don't bother come act like on a boat you and no forward for man channel, you know. That me I tell you, real done channel this. Yeah. Watch us up, man. Sure. We got one place called Flatbush. Flat body girl over there, some big bumper girl over that side there. So them call it Flatbush. And a be buffers over there. Some girl with the buffers. Talk them out, make you chat, you know. Mount make you chat, charge it, talk. Oh, that's what me them have a go on there. So one bag of working things and things. See my point camera up there, so show them say we have camera around us. So I want to them. Oh no, see a vlog on the pan. Live streaming vlog. As a Johnny would have said, oh no friend them. Yeah, big up to Johnny this morning, me I watch Johnny. And Sham. I do them thing as shit. That's what you said, man. Yeah, traffic out there on my G. it. And you have to get where you go. Yeah, make traffic and them things that get in your way, G. Done. Yeah, I'm about to have the body set of vlogs them right now on YouTube. Hands down. So like you put up your hand on the police you freeze. Hands down. I can have the wickedest vlogs them on YouTube. Yeah. So I say turn yes up. So turn yes up. Sheesh. Yeah, bad man say something, say turn yes up, dog. Turn yes up, you see me? One part, one place, one blood clot part. Billion and I still not lie. You see how one time when I watch my vlogs them when I get to see real Brooklyn. Look up there, it's like how that I want drunkenness that big so. I must have drunk live up there, so I can't want a little bird. When the drunker will live up there today. You see me? Views of the great Brooklyn, man. Nah, man. You know it's a lovely place, though. No real like Brooklyn, no real like this place. No real like Brooklyn. Brooklyn can be one of the most stressful places too, that's the thing. If you know, you know. You ever hear them say, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Yeah. On everything, everybody know. You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised who don't know nothing. Some people don't know about Brooklyn, dog. Take this vlogging thing worldwide and show some people say, yo, joking on. Joke out the thing. Serious like Jesus, not a joker like joker. Yeah. What kind of sign that over there so not come put up no parking? What kind of, who put that something there? Who put that sign there, that vulgar sign there about no parking? Eh? Who says something so vulgar? Eh? And violating the citizens, no parking. Yo, sure. Yo, you see last night, I have one of the worst bank experience last night. Yeah? I don't know what happened. I couldn't find one bank. Right? Because I hung on my business last night. For no reason, dog. I mean, I say, yo, what is the kind of building over there, so? All burned down building that over there. You know how long that building I burned down? The building I burned down good over a decade, you know that? You know. It's called If You Know, You Know. City bike them. That's your one. When them down the front of the stoplight, them not see when they turn green. Right? hydrant. You see a man knock over the fire hydrant right so. Yo, pre the man up on that scooter, yeah. Thinking dog a fall when I said the dog a put a turn girl away there, you see me? Anyway, all of that. I'm sitting there going this sanitation. See me? One bag of sanitation thing them I go along with over this every night. One thing me can tell you, God go down. Hear me, no man, make sure so you smash it like, yeah. Smash it like. Smash it like. And turn up the subscribe button and tell somebody if you tell somebody about MVision TV. MVision, we outside. This is who for television. MVision. Yeah. You don't see the light up on green. We have superstar in the traffic, you know, bro. And now whole up the traffic, you know, dog. Big superstar in having a traffic and wait, yo, dog. A violation. Oh, no, see what happened what there? Oh, no, see a man get the first sucker no mama for the year. Huh. Ramp with it if you don't want. People, on the like and subscribe, share, big up on yourself. Camera must stay up there. And for all of my watchers them, big up on yourself. Look for mama boats them. Look for mama boats them. Mama, you ready? Sort out for the weather. Hold on, I don't have to see mama. Sort out for the weather. Pink boots pan them for the weather. Mama thing turn up. Yeah. Give me the man. Mama thing turn up.